Hello and welcome to Math Age. On Saturday, the 8th of August, the third episode of Starling Bank Mathematics Quiz Competition for secondary school students was held. With a whooping 500,000 for the winner, 300,000 for the first runner-up, and 200,000 naira for the second runner-up, the competition is certainly worth taking seriously. However, many students complained that the questions were too difficult. But were they really? Today, I want to show you that the questions were actually based on simple mathematics principles. The real challenge was not necessarily the difficulty of the mathematics, but the ability to recognize the principle being tested and apply it quickly. So, let's go through the questions one after the other, starting from question number 1, and uncover the simple mathematics hidden behind them. Let's see how easy these questions become when you know what to look for. Let's go. Question number 1 says, a right pyramid has a square base of side 8 cm and a slant edge of 20 cm. A smaller pyramid is cut off such that each corresponding slant edge is 10 cm. What is the side length of AB of the smaller square base? Looking at this question closely, a smart competition student will notice that the question is on similar shapes and the application of the scale factor. The original pyramid, which is the bigger pyramid, has a slant edge of 20 cm, while the smaller pyramid has a corresponding slant edge of 10 cm. With this, we establish a scale factor of 20/10, which is equal to half. Apply this to the sides of the square base of the pyramid. It becomes half multiplied by the 8 which we were giving us 4. As simple as that. So this is explained better in the diagram. Question number 2 of the same competition goes this way. In quadrilateral PQRS below, sides PS and QR are parallel for what value of X? Looking at the question, the first trap many students would have fallen into is to conclude that angle X is the same as 112. But thank God the options did not allow us to fall into such temptation because there is no 112 in the options. That would have only been correct if PQ and SR are also parallel, but we are not given that information. We are only told that PS and QR are parallel. So, since PS is parallel to QR, it implies that PQ is a transversal, and the co-interior angles are therefore supplementary, implying that X plus 70 will give us 180. Hence, X is equal to 110. Very simple. Question number 3 says, what is the point of intersection of the line y equal to 2x minus 3 and y equal to negative half x plus 2? We have y equal to 2x minus 3 and also y equal to half x plus 2. Now, at the point of intersection, both equations have the same x value and the same y value. So, simply equate the two expressions for y. That gives us that 2x minus 3 is equal to half x plus 2. Multiply everything by 2 to eliminate the fraction. That gives us 4x minus 6 is equal to negative x plus 4. Collect like terms gives you 5x is equal to 10. So we solve for x equal to 2. Now, having got the value of x, we substitute x equal to 2 in either of the equations. Taking the first one, y is equal to 2x minus 3. When we substitute x equal to 2, it gives us y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3, which gives us 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1. So that gives us the coordinate in question is 2, 1. That's answer B. Alright, I will continue from question number 4 in the next video. But before then, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.